We are starting with some breaking news coming in at top of this hour. The government has now put out facts on the vaccine drive data, completely demolishing the Western media propaganda on India's vaccine drive. The government has now said that the reports on India missing vaccine targets are misleading and India has one of the most successful vaccine drives in the world. That's the latest coming in, even as there have been certain sections of the Western media reporting as to how there has been a possible failure in India's vaccination drive, to which the government have now put out facts on the vaccine drive data, completely demolishing the Western media propaganda. Let me also go across to Madhurima joining us over the phone line. Yes, Madhurima, the government has now stated that the reports on India missing vaccine targets are misleading.
Well, absolutely. It's a very big claim that the government has made, regarding the vaccination drive of our country. What needs to be seen here is that we are going to soon achieve the target of inoculating 2 billion jabs. We have almost reached 150 crore jabs already, the target of that. And as far as if the percentage is also concerned, around 90% of our population, over 90% of our population, adult population has at least received one jab, and around 70% of our adult population has received both the jabs. So as far as our vaccination drive is concerned, Richa, we are right on track. And specifically, the gap, we could have also achieved the 100% target as well. But as we know that the difference between the time period between the Covishield vaccine was increased, that also led to this particular target that we have achieved till now. But the government, taking a very strong stand, has put out a claimer that India is right on schedule. We are vaccinating our people right on time, and even in very difficult terrain as well. We've seen that how the vaccination authorities are also reaching to every household in very difficult terrain places, and even at villages and the most rural places. We've seen how drones are being used in the northeastern side of our country, where we saw that via drone vaccines are being transported from one place to another. So all strides are being made from the side of the government, and taking a very strong stand, Richa, the government has rubbished and called it balderdash that all the claims that are being made by the Western media and the propaganda is entirely false. India is right on track with multiple indigenous vaccines as well. If we even talk about the efficacy of our vaccines, that has been proved at multiple international journals like Lancet, where it has said that Indian indigenous vaccines have shown one of the highest efficacy rates. So the government taking a very strong stand for themselves. As we know that the vaccination drive, everybody initially had claimed that it would be difficult for India to inoculate people, but with indigenous vaccines at our hand, we have completed our target, and we're soon going to reach the 2 billion mark jab. And we'll be seeing that as well. We've seen that how the booster dose also will begin from January 3rd. The children of our country will be getting the jabs from tomorrow itself. So our country is only augmenting the entire process of vaccination. Richa, rest, the government has taken a very strong stand, and they have rubbished all such claims by the Western media. That's true.
All right, thank you so much, Madhurima, for getting us that latest update. So the government putting the facts on the table, also stating about the India's vaccination drive, also demolishing the Western media propaganda.